Yo! And this is the TV PZ Ambilight. I ordered the package from AliExpress, and the product is definitely well packed. 2 layers of bubble wrap have safety assurance that the product won't worn out along the delivery process. Yes, components are USB computer cable, Ambilight controller box, high quality LED strips, and lastly the power AC/DC adapter. A total of 5 parts in the package. This picture will tell us how to properly connect the parts. The Ambilight controller is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. For Mac OS and Linux, you need to download the Prismatic software, and the AmbiBox is for Windows. This software will give us stunning visual effects, especially when playing games or watching movies. B-roll is coming up, so check this out. Foresight's simple installation of LED light strip has never been easier. Adhesive is strong. Purchase the 60 LEDs per meter in order to maximize the color and the brightness. Cutting strips is also easy peasy. Let's install the AmbiBox software. All you have to do is go to ambibox.ru/en and click the download AmbiBox. Just click the first option to download. In my case, I already installed the software, so here it is. It is a must to check the box section Use Ambilight. This is going to be your on and off switch. There's a lot of modes, and screen capture is probably the most interesting among these modes. Now, the method of screen capture should be GDI-FS Aero. Right now, you may wonder why it's still not lit up, even though you already installed this software. Don't panic, because the software should recognize first the USB port you inserted in. You can check that in Device Manager and find the ports COM and LPT, and then check the USB serial CH340. In my case, it's COM6, so I should be choosing the COM6 option. Yes, it lit up, but as you noticed, only the small part of the LED light lit up, so please note that this is not a quality problem. Orders of colors should be RGB. Numbers of zones should be recognized. I have a 21:9 LG monitor, so 140 LED count is definitely enough to cover all sides of the screen. Now click the Show Area of Capture to check whether the software captures the correct count of LED to your screen. Now click the wizard Captured Zones. It will automatically recognize the LED count you chose for your screen. On this page, default settings have been enabled, and you are good to go. Voila! The colors on the screen have been recognized. Since I have a 21:9 monitor and the available test video for Ambilight is only at 16:9 ratio. Later, I will show you how it looks like when you play games and movies in a 21:9 ratio. Look at that! Mesmerizing! colors that adapt the screen gestures are definitely gorgeous. The game Thumper is perfect for testing. Combination of colors and sound will give you a 4DX effect. Movies, movies, movies. Yes, look at that. How awesome. A gaming experience will surely give you a goosebumps. That impact which provides a feeling that you are really part of the game. The experience is extremely exciting. Static background mode will give you an option to choose your favorite color. Just hover your mouse to any color you prefer. Dynamic background mode will give you a random colors. It will constantly change, but it depends on your speed preferences. If you scroll to the left, then the shifting of colors is low, but if you hover it to the right, it will give you an interval of seconds shifting to different colors. Color music modes will let you enjoy the beat of your favorite music, and sound level options where you can adjust the synchronization sound beat. This is perfect for an event or a party. Pretty much it. Almost everything has been covered, and of course, there's more for Ambilight in a 100-inch screen. Installation is quite challenging, but the results will surely make you drool. As you can see, the enchantment experience with a visual effects light from a 100-inch screen is totally mind-blowing. I got the 5-meter LED light strip, so it only covers left, right, and the top part of the screen. A 5-meter LED strip cannot reach the bottom part, but as you notice, it won't matter anymore because the results are overwhelming. That's all for now, and I'm hoping to see you soon on the next video. Curious about what projector did I use? Yes! Just click this video and you can watch the thorough review about the gaming projector. Big thanks!